one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Your soul was never meant to live in a place of constant tension. The Lord sees the places where pressure has been unrelenting, where your thoughts have kept moving even when you've tried to be still, and where your heart has been quietly longing for somewhere to breathe again. He's not simply calling to you, but he is inviting you to come into a place of peace, a place of restoration. For the Lord says, I'm bringing you beside still waters. I'm bringing you into a place of peace. Where my presence is, where my presence will restore, my presence will heal. Allow my word to sink deep within you, like water soaking through the ground. For I am the one who is planting you by streams of living water. Allow my word to bring healing and life. For I am the one who empowers and fills you anew. The old is passing away, and I'm leading you into that which is new. For I am the one who restores you, the one who strengthens you, the one who fills you anew this day. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.